In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the creation date of your Gmail or Google account. So the first thing I'm doing is opening up Gmail and signing in if I haven't already. Once I'm in my inbox, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page where you see the pagination bar. This is the area that lets you jump between pages of your emails, and it's really handy for what we're about to do. Here in the pagination section, I'm going to click on the option that says oldest. This will take Gmail and automatically start loading the very first page of emails I ever received or sent, and depending on how many emails you have, it might take a little bit to load, so just be patient. While it's loading, you can see the timeline of all your emails, and this is what's going to help us figure out when the account was first created. Once the oldest emails load, I'm scrolling through to find the very first email in my account. Usually this is either a welcome email from Gmail or some kind of automated message from Google that came the moment the account was created. For me, I can see the very first email here, and when I click to open it, I can check the date at the top. This date is essentially the creation date of your Gmail or Google account because it shows when that very first message was received. At this point, you can make a note of it or just keep it in mind for reference. It's a simple way to see how long you've had your account without having to dig through Google settings or any security menus. And the neat part is this works even if you've changed passwords or settings over the years. It's always tied to that first email. So to quickly recap, I went to Gmail, scrolled down to the pagination bar at the bottom, selected oldest to jump to the first page of emails, and then clicked on that very first email to check the date. That's the creation date of my account, and it's really straightforward once you know where to look. Now I can see exactly how long I've been using this account, and it's a handy little trick for keeping track of your email history or verifying account age when needed. It's quick, easy, and doesn't require any extra tools, just a few clicks and a little scrolling, and you have the information you need right there in Gmail.